found a previously drilled hole, but it's frozen over. I hit it with my heel a couple times to see if it'd break, and nothing happened. So yeah, all the nice little bubbles in there. I am planning to camp on this little island here. I came from all the way over there. All the way over there. So, should be good. Got my gear. We'll see how the night goes. Well, what is up, guys? Welcome back. I am currently on a lake. My plan is to camp on this island here. I've been walking around it for a little bit, trying to find a spot to go up and set up. I've walked up and down in a few spots, and then I kept coming this way. I started from around that bend there. This is all pretty steep, and there's not really any like paths or tracks from anything, so I'm probably going to go back around to where I was and go up there and then find a spot that's decently flat and not a super hefty amount of snow. That's the plan. It's starting to get a little dark out. It is currently 2:14. So yeah, I want to find a spot and get set up before it gets too dark. Let's do it. Getting it over this log. That was almost as easy as pulling it on the snow. Oh. This thing is heavy. I'm sweating. I'm out of breath. We made it. The island I'm on is quite full. I was expecting there to be a little more open space for me to set my tent up. I was thinking initially right here, but there's a big hump of shrubs and whatever. So I might go a little bit further that way. There's like a small-ish spot, which I think my tent will fit. I'll just have to do a little bit of snow packing. I've decided this seems like the best place, so this is where we're putting it. But I was expecting this to be more cleared out, like a little more open space and bare in some spots, so that is what it is. We're going to make the most of it. Come on. Got the Thermarest all set up. Pulling out my sleeping bag now. I don't know how pumped up the Thermarest is supposed to be because it's my first time using one. I feel like that's okay, because you don't want it to pop, but yeah, should be good. This is going to be interesting because this is what I'm supposed to be eating. And it's still frozen. So we'll see how that works. And I got one piece of sourdough bread, homemade, that I want to eat with that. So it's kind of my plan for dinner. And then tomorrow morning, I just got a bagel. These bananas got absolutely destroyed. They looked damn near picture perfect earlier, but yeah, so blueberry bagel, peanut butter and jam. Sure as heck hope I can get this going, because if not, it's going to be a rough night, if you know what I'm saying. I don't think I'm going to be having a fire tonight either, so I brought all this wood for nothing, but it's okay. Still doing okay for temperature. Plastic just broke off. How to get that on there properly. Smells pretty good. It's like some sort of chicken tortilla soup or something like that. There's not much I can do. The whole thing slid out. Scared the absolute crap out of me. Oh man, that was crazy. Look at it. Just chilling out the top there. Got a spoon in my pocket just for this exact thing. It's gonna take a little while, so. Soup. Chicken tortilla soup. Oh, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it really. Anyways, that's my soup. My chicken tortilla soup. Corn, carrots, looks like maybe some celery in there, peppers. Super good. Anyways, I need to eat. And my feet are getting cold because my feet are wet. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna eat quick, do a little cleanup, and then probably just hop in the tent. It's cooling off and the sun's going down, so not much to do out here when the sun goes down. Hitting the spot all right. Needs more chicken though. She's hot. Whoa. I did also bring an extra pair of socks, but I'm kind of saving those for tomorrow because, well, tonight and tomorrow, because I don't want no wet socks in the morning. I don't know how well you can see me or not, but I pretty much well cleaned everything up. Now I'm about to just hop in the tent, warm myself up because I'm getting chilly because my feet are so cold, so wet and cold. So yeah, I just threw Gatorade in there and my water. All right, one last quick thing. I'm in the tent. My camera battery's at 12% and I was looking, I had two, but I'm guessing my other one fell out of the bag on my travels here today, so that's pretty crappy. So if you don't... Good morning. Oh, I slept not too bad. There was like constant dog barking the entire night, which was pretty annoying. And it ended up raining a little bit and I didn't put my rain fly on, of course, so yeah, got the tiniest bit wet, nothing too crazy, but gotta let my tent dry out when I get home now, so that's that. But yeah, starting to clean up in here. Already rolled up my sleeping bag. Trying to get a move on. I was also just thinking, you know how I mentioned that I think I lost my other camera battery? Where I started walking from, initially a couple things fell off the sled that I was pulling, and my camera bag was one of them. So I'm hoping that on my way back, I'll find the battery. If not, that sucks, but it would be nice. Yeah, I'm just pulling the last few things out of the tent, and I'm gonna close it up and start heading back towards my truck. Definitely could have been a little warmer, but meh, I had fun. I made it back. Ooh. I made it back. I checked the spot where my camera bag had tipped and I didn't see my other battery there, so it's probably out on the lake somewhere, which is very unfortunate. I did try to look for it though, so. But yeah, gonna load this stuff up and hit the road.